Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a beast of an e-bike. The isinwheel U8 Plus electric bike for adults. This powerhouse is built for riders who want long range, high torque, and premium comfort all in one. Before we start, make sure to check the link below to grab the isinwheel U8 Plus today at the best discounted price available online. Design and build quality. The isinwheel U8 Plus boasts a robust yet stylish aluminum frame with smooth welds and a clean finish that gives it a premium look. Its 26-inch all-terrain tires and hydraulic suspension system provide excellent stability and control on any surface. From city roads to mountain trails. Built with rider comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic seat, adjustable handlebars, and a frame geometry designed for both commuting and adventure. This is an e-bike that feels as solid as it looks. Engineered for both endurance and performance. Motor and power. Under the hood, the U8 Plus packs a 1500W peak brushless motor, delivering incredible acceleration and power. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising flat roads, the motor responds instantly with smooth torque. The bike reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour, Class 2, and can be unlocked to 28 miles per hour, Class 3, for those who crave more speed. This motor system is whisper quiet yet powerful. Perfect for both city rides and long off-road journeys where strength and stability matter most. Battery and range. The isinwheel U8 Plus is available in two battery configurations, 13Ah and 18Ah, both delivering impressive range. On a single charge, you can travel up to 75 miles, 13Ah, or an incredible 105 miles, 18Ah, in pedal assist mode. The battery is removable, so you can easily charge it at home or the office. Charging takes about 6 to 8 hours, and the Intelligent Battery Management System, BMS, ensures long-lasting performance, protecting against overcharge and overheating. Riding experience. This e-bike is built for smooth and responsive riding. The hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, even at high speeds or in wet conditions. The 7-speed Shimano transmission gives you flexibility for all kinds of terrain, from steep climbs to flat roads. The 26-inch puncture-resistant tires combined with dual suspension deliver exceptional comfort and grip, making each ride stable and enjoyable. The LCD screen keeps you informed about your speed, distance, battery life, and riding mode in real time. Smart features and convenience. The U8 Plus comes with 3 riding modes. Pedal assist mode. Combines motor power with pedaling for long range. Pure electric mode. Perfect for effortless riding. Manual mode. Use it like a standard bicycle. It also includes bright LED headlights and taillights, perfect for night riding and improved safety. The removable battery and sturdy frame make it easy to store, transport, and maintain. Verdict. The isinwheel U8 Plus electric bike is a complete package. Powerful, efficient, and built for serious riders. With its 1500W motor, 75 to 105 mile range, and advanced braking system, it's one of the most capable electric bikes in its category. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, the U8 Plus delivers on every front. Comfort, power, and endurance. If you want a long-range, high-torque e-bike that's both powerful and reliable, this is the one to get. Check the link below to grab your isinwheel U8 Plus electric bike today at the best discounted price before it sells out.